Himalayan salt lamps. Now, salt lamps come from earth, and salt is always amazing to clear any kind of energy. I wash in sea salt every day to clear my auric field, so I have these in my lamps too. This helps promote circulation in your body. It helps clear all brain fog. And it helps you clear your circulation, it relaxes your body, it relieves all muscle cramps. It is an actual healing stone on its own. I highly recommend that these go into your bedrooms, your children's bedrooms, your home, your lounge, anywhere that you want to relax, anywhere you want to feel comfortable. It promotes a healthy pH balance and it improves all circulation, it helps strengthen your bones. How does it get any better than this?